Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to resize the iPhone clock on the lock screen in iOS 26 or later. In iOS 26, Apple lets you resize the clock on your lock screen, giving you more control over customization. So whether you prefer bold, large time display or a sleeker, more minimal style, this feature makes your lock screen feel more like you. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you exactly how to resize the clock on your iPhone lock screen. That's it, let's get started. So first we have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone, and then you have to long press to enter the customization mode. And then you have to hit the customize button right at the bottom of the wallpaper that you have just selected. A new drag handle appears at the bottom right of the time frame in the customize mode, allowing you to stretch the digits to take up nearly half the screen. So just drag the handle to perfectly adjust the lock screen clock. If you have widgets active, they will automatically shift downward. Note that this resizing feature may vary depending on your wallpaper. It's worth pointing out that if there is limited space above the subject in a photo, the option might not appear. So keep this important thing in your mind while trying to resize the clock on your iPhone lock screen. And once you have perfectly adjusted the lock screen clock, make sure to tap on the Done or the Add button located at the top right and you are all set. So that's how easy it is to resize the clock on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26 or later. With just a few steps, you can make your iPhone feel even more personal and functional. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to give your lock screen a personal touch, and I'll catch you up in the next one.